When you've selected one or more actuators that you want to continue to evaluate for an application, the next page you'll go to is your motor type or your mount type and orientation. So this is where our software will now start taking a look at torque requirements input to the actuator. It's going to be checking your belt torques, your coupler torques, and it's also going to start taking a look at thermal calculations in roller screw applications. You may see roller screws in the failing, whereas it was in the passing in the previous screen. So make sure that you're checking for thermal results. You'll also notice on the left, we've changed the filters and kept some of the filters from the previous screen. You now have the ability to filter based on peak input torque required to the actuator and also peak motor RPM going into the actuator. You can filter also based on your desired mounting type, whether that is an inline or a wraparound reverse parallel mount. Over on the right-hand side, we now start giving you information relative to what the motor is going to require to input to the actuator to fulfill the application requirements. When you select a product, we will also give you some additional information from the previous screen, such as what your maximum thrust was and what your maximum rated speed was. An additional data point that we give you now is also what the RPM is at peak torque, which will be valuable in helping you quickly size a motor.